Yes, dear students, here we have a numerical which is based on the displacement vector, means it is based on the vector motion in a plane. Now if we go through this numerical, a simple one, the xyz coordinates of 2 points P and Q are given respectively as a -2, 8 -4 and 0, 4 -2, the displacement vector from P to Q. So before going into this, if we take this point P, it is given to us, its coordinates are given to us three-dimensional vector. It is, say, it is Q, which is having 0, 4, -2. So if points are given, we can have their position vectors. Now position vectors means their position from the reference point, that is origin. Okay. We are having these three coordinates, we can say x, say y, and say it is z. Now we have taken this point P, so its position vector that we can determine with the help of the OP vector. This will give the position. If coordinates are given to you of a point, you can determine the position vector. So position vector will be given by -2ik. Now for this, -2 multiplied with the unit vector of x direction plus y coordinates j, for z coordinates -4kk. So this way we can derive, we can have this value -2 at j -4 k. Once we have got this, we can also determine the position of Q, OQ vector. This is the position vector. So it is 0 into I cap, coordinate of x, 0 into I cap plus 4j cap, and this is -2k cap. Once we have got this, now what we have to determine? We have to determine the displacement vector from P to Q. So P to Q means the direction is like this, its direction is like this, and its direction is like this. So we have to determine the PQ displacement vector from P to Q. Once we have got the position of P, once we have got the position of Q, we can determine it in this manner. Now if we go through the addition of vectors, that we know, if OP vector added with this PQ vector, means what we have to do? We have to take its head and take the tail of this PQ. We have taken the tail of this PQ. So OP vector plus PQ vector, which will give the OQ vector. We have taken in this direction, and in opposite direction this will give the resultant, means the addition. So we have got this OP vector plus PQ vector, which is equal to OQ vector. This method is also known as head tail touching method of vector addition. We have added this vector with this vector, and finally we have got the resultant. So resultant will be, if we have taken in this order, the resultant will be in the opposite direction. So the head of this and tail of this will give the. Now we have to determine this displacement vectors. So it is PQ vector, OQ vector minus OP vector. Now we have got this OQ vector, which is that we have to determine here. So here 0 into I cap, that is 0. So we are taking this 4j cap minus 2k cap minus this -2i cap plus 8j cap, and it is minus, so I will write it in so मैं थोड़ा सा PQ vector will give 4j cap minus 2k cap minus this, it is minus 2i cap plus 8j cap minus 4k cap. So if you simplify it, with this plus 2i cap, it is minus 8j cap and it is plus 4k cap. So 4j, it is 2i cap, 4 minus 8, that is minus 4j cap, that is minus 2 plus 4, it is 2k cap. So finally we have got the displacement vector of P from P to Q, it is 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap. So if options are given to you, you can put the values and if this is the correct answer. So this way we can determine the displacement vector from P to Q by using vector addition, just head tail touching method. So this way we can go for the vector addition and the numerical which is based on the displacement vector.